If you've ever used one of these, you know the problem. It's too small, and it barely works, so I fixed it. This old tamper was way too small, so I made it bigger. Quick tip: I also made a tool to level the sand. Just a rake and a piece of wood tied together. Nothing fancy, but it works really well. I took my old hand tamper and gave it a serious DIY upgrade. The goal: more surface, more impact, better compaction. So first I mounted a thick wooden plate underneath. Now it hits harder and spreads the force out. Then I added wooden blocks around the shaft. That locks everything in place and makes it much more stable. Now it's heavier, wider, and honestly, pretty brutal. Let's see if it works. I start compacting the sand, and right away you can feel the difference. It hits harder, covers more ground, and compacts faster. This is exactly what you want: a solid, tight base. After that, quick level. Now you've got a clean, compacted base. Small upgrade, big difference. This actually works. And yeah, don't do this. That's why you wear safety shoes. If you like upgrades like this, you know what to do.